What if I told you that a single watermelon seed could grow into a big, juicy, ice-cold watermelon right in the middle of summer? And the best part? You could start the journey right from your own balcony with just a small pot. Sounds like a miracle, right? But at TerraWorks, we're here to show you that not only is it possible, it's surprisingly simple. So if you're ready, let's take a fun and rewarding journey from seed to fruit. In this video, you'll learn how to turn a watermelon seed into a healthy seedling, how to grow that seedling either in a pot or in your garden, how to use store-bought seedlings or even plant directly into the soil, and how to boost flavor and sweetness naturally using organic methods. Let's get started. If you're just getting started, you have 3 great options. Starting from seed. It's perfect if you want to experience the full growing journey. Just keep in mind that seeds from store-bought watermelons might be hybrids and won't always grow true to type. Use certified organic seeds if possible. Germination takes about 7 to 10 days, and you'll have a healthy seedling in 3 weeks. Buying a seedling, a great option if you want to save time. Choose one with strong roots and vibrant leaves. Let it rest in a shaded area for a few days before transplanting to reduce transplant shock. Planting directly in the garden. If daytime temperatures are consistently above 68 degrees Fahrenheit, you can skip the seedling stage and plant directly in the soil. This reduces transplant stress, and roots adapt quickly. Just prep your soil ahead of time with organic compost and make sure it's well aerated. Plant early in the morning or during the cool hours of the evening. Avoid planting during the hottest part of the day. Don't plant if soil temperatures are below 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Germinating seeds in a pot for seed starters? Choose a pot with drainage holes about 6 to 8 inches in diameter. Mix 50% peat moss, 30% organic compost, 20% perlite. Plant the seed 1 inch deep and press down lightly. Cover with plastic wrap to create a mini greenhouse effect. Keep the pot in a warm, well-lit area. Sprouts will emerge in 7 to 10 days. Transplanting seedlings into garden or large pots. Planting in the garden. When your seedling has 3 to 4 true leaves, it's ready. Choose a sunny, protected spot with well-draining soil, enriched with organic fertilizer. Space each plant at least 36 inches apart. Water daily during the first week. Morning or evening planting reduces shock and helps roots settle in faster. Keeping it in a pot. Choose a pot with at least 10 to 13 gallons capacity. Make sure drainage is excellent. Watermelons love to sprawl, so give them room or use a trellis to support growth. Remember, pot soil dries out quicker, so water more frequently, but don't overdo it. Watering, support, and pruning. Watermelon roots are shallow, so surface watering is key. Water deeply 2 to 3 times a week in the morning. First flowers are usually male. Look for tiny fruit behind female flowers. Encourage bees with pollinator-friendly plants like lavender or mint nearby. Check under the leaves for pests. Try natural sprays like garlic or neem oil. If the plant becomes too leafy, prune some side shoots to direct energy to fruit growth. Boosting ripeness and sweetness. Watermelons need at least 8 hours of full sun a day. Keep fruit off the soil. Use straw, leaves, or a wooden plank underneath. Allow only 1 fruit per vine for bigger, sweeter results. Use seaweed-based liquid fertilizer weekly to enrich the plant. Don't reduce water too early. Wait until the last week before harvest, then cut back gradually to increase sugar concentration. Less water equals more sugar. Reduce watering slightly in the final week to sweeten your melon naturally. When to harvest a ripe watermelon? Here's how to tell if your watermelon is ready. The underside has turned yellow. The rind is duller with well-defined stripes. It sounds deep and hollow when you tap it. The curly tendril near the stem has dried up. Don't let too many melons grow on one plant. Limit to 2 to 3 fruits max for better size and flavor. Whether you're starting from seed, buying a seedling, or planting directly, growing your own organic watermelon is easier than it looks. With just a pot, a bit of patience, and the right guidance, you'll be biting into your own homegrown melon in no time. Let us know in the comments. Are you starting from seed or going with a ready-to-plant seedling? If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your watermelon-loving friends. See you in the next one, TerraWorks, where the return to nature begins.